Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 10th. Today student we are going to learn how to create a form using wizard step by step. In earlier video student we have completed what is form and how to create the form. So let's begin with the theoretical part first. So student, you can see all reports help display data in summarized manner. It meant to say what is report. Actually, whenever you have just gone to the particular blood test report, okay, so you have seen everything detailed, whatever you have searched for or you have checked for, it is in a summarized manner. Okay, so same way in a report, whatever we are getting the data from table, it will be definitely in summarized manner. It is used to generate the overall work come out in clear format. Yes, whenever we are getting the information from table, okay, record by record, that means to say tuple by tuple, it will give you the information that is overall work out or information that is in clear format. You can create a report in the database also. So what are the steps? The steps is given here student. So you have to just go to the open office, this one thing, base application, and then after that you have to select the report. So student, here one information student, as we are creating the form for this one thing table, okay, same way we are also going to create the report for the table along with query also. So what we have to do student, first of all we have to open the application, then after that we have to go to the report option or object. So I will do show you the practically. So first of all I will open the open office 4.1.7. I will open already created database that contains the number of tables. So you can see student, here are tables, that is account, b account, s account, t account. Here is query that we have created last session of the video. Now we are going to understand, okay, we have done the query one or as a form also. Now we are going to understand how to create a report. So go to the report option, that is report object of the table, that is the database. Click on use wizard to create report, and you will see at background side the report is generated, but we will do the some modification also. Here student, you can see the number of the query or tables are shown here. So first of all we are going to show the report of query one. So here as shown in the field, I am to say available field, you can select all for report. Then after that press next option. It will show you the labeling field. Suppose that account id field will looks like in which manner. So I will provide here space. So I will show here simply user account id. Here simply I can say that account holder name. Okay, then here account number, or simply I can say that will better for all of us, that is a oblique c number, then account type. Okay student, so now I'm going to press next option. So in this option student, whatever labeling option, whatever the data type or field of the table will look like in this manner, because data type will not allow us space. So report allow us to show the information in understanding manner, not database attribute manner. So it will show you in whatever you have decided. Okay, and then press next option. Now you see grouping. Okay, you can see grouping option, there is third option. So under this you can provide here group also. Suppose that account id, account name, account type. So I'm going to select this one, account number, and then account type. This is one group. Okay student, and then next option. Now you can see that short optioning, by default they are all are in ascending, let it be in ascending. Or then after that choose layout. So you can see layout at back side, you can see also. So here is like border. Okay, now you can see everything comes in a border. That is in this one thing finance option. This because we are making this one thing financing will be better. Okay, and then you can show in this way, highlighted way. Okay, let it be. And then after that press next option. It will ask you portrait or landscape. So suppose that in landscape or portrait we are going to select. Click on next. Here name query one, we can see that report. Okay, name of this one thing. Here is static report, dynamic report. So we are let it be in a dynamic because whenever we are going to changes in a query, it will automatically change. Okay, student. Static means suppose that you have created this form. Okay, if you have selected static report, if we have change in a table or query, this will not reflect the output. It will be remain same. Okay. In the dynamic nature of report, whenever we are selecting this option, the query will change or report will be changed automatically. Query will change automatically, report will be also changed. Okay, now how do you want to proceed the after creating report? Modify report layout or create report now? Okay, so we can say that create report now and finish option. Now you can see, student, this report has been generated. Okay, so in this report you can see this author is friend because my computer registered as friend. Here account id, that is user account id, is 1, account number is 4567 whatever, account type saving, account holder name is Himesh Singh. Same way user account 4 id 4. Okay, account number that is 96 whatever. Okay, and account type saving, and the account holder names Kamal Kant. Same way fifth one. Okay, so you can see, student, in page number 1 there are students has come. Okay, I'm to say lot of student has come. Same way we can create the query of I'm to say report of another one table also. Suppose that I'm going to select the balance, okay, or account type. I have selected all, and now print this one thing, account id, let it be like that. Okay, we are going to do a simple. Okay, so now account id only group. Okay, and next one thing, then this one let it be because we do not want any kind of sorting mechanism. This meant to say compact enhance like this. Okay, and then next one and finish. Now you can see, student, simply the report has come for all records or tuples in my table accounts. So here you can see account name, account number, type. Okay, in serial number 1, account number 1 2 3 4, these are account id. Okay, and here is account sorting way it has shown 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, Ram Kishore Verma till then account number 6. Okay, so number are there. You can see, student, we have created the form of the base application. Now, student, we are going to study material, what is given there. So study material contain the same thing, student. We have to go to the report object, then after that click on wizard, and then this dialog box will come, that is report wizard, which contains 6 steps. We will complete steps. Okay, and then after that field selection, grouping, and the name, label naming. Okay, and then after that we can say that grouping mechanism. Then after that it's ascending or descending, it's up to you. And then we will select for choose the layout, whatever, for heading, header, and for background layout or data. And then after that press next option, and finally we'll print the name. Okay, title of the name, and at last we will see the report. So student, I think you have learned how to create the report, and now you will do the homework for this class or video. So you have to create a form for academic database. It meant to say our school database. Okay, in above activity. Okay, and then after that create a report to display data for table database, enter earlier whatever we have created in table, and report must display your entire academic scorecard. Okay, and fill-ups you have to do that. Okay, and short answer you have to also do that. Till then, thank you, student, and have a nice day.